Good morning everyone. Welcome to our channel Part-Time IT Investor. Today is 17th of July. So guys कल मैं डिटेल वीडियो बना नहीं पाया, मैं बस शॉर्ट्स डाल दिया था मैंने to update you guys on our profit and strategy. Okay, so it was very late for me. Nonetheless, we have time today morning, so I will quickly cover the today's analysis. मैं quickly analysis करूँगा that what I'm expecting on Nifty. Okay, उसका impact, tariff का impact क्या है. Okay, let's quickly start. Okay. सो जो हमारा सेटअप अभी आपको स्क्रीन पे दिख रहा है गाइस, ओके, दिस सेटअप जो हम लोग ऑलमोस्ट एक हफ्ते से फॉलो कर रहे हैं. ओके, द सेटअप which you are seeing on the screen right now, that is something which we are following for past 1 week. Okay, so as discussed yesterday, जैसे हमने कल डिस्कस किया था, ओके, बराबर यही रेंज के अंदर मार्केट रहा यहाँ पे, और ये हमारा जो लेवल है 20,230, it was not able to break it down. Okay, you can go ahead and check my past videos couple of days back, जहाँ पे मैंने ये क्लियरली मेंशन किया था 25,230 ब्रेक करना काफी डिफिकल्ट रहेगा. ओके, एंड इट विल स्टक इनटू दिस रेंज. मैंने क्लियरली आई थिंक कल के वीडियो में भी बोला था कि ये रेंज में ही रहेगा, इट विल बी वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू ब्रेक डाउन दिस रेंज. ओके, सो आई विल फॉलो द सेम. जैसे एक्सपेक्टेशन है टिल एक्सपायरी, ओके, जो कि आज है निफ्टी की 17 जुलाई, इट मार्केट विल रिमेन इन दिस रेंज. ओके, मार्केट यही रेंज में रहेगा, ये एक्सपेक्टेशन है यहाँ पे. ओके, and accordingly I think we should plan for it. Okay, so I think there are many news which is flowing around with respect to tariff, and then we also have results. HDFC बैंक के रिजल्ट भी आने वाले हैं, ICICI बैंक के रिजल्ट भी आने वाले हैं 19 जुलाई को. बाद में रिलायंस के रिजल्ट भी है इन नेक्स्ट कपल ऑफ वीक्स. तो दीज आर द बिग कंपनीज गाइस. ओके, ये काफ़ी बड़ी बड़ी कंपनीज है, इनके रिजल्ट्स पॉजिटिव आते हैं या नेगेटिव आते हैं या न्यूट्रल आते हैं, उस वजह से काफ़ी वाइल्ड स्विंग आ सकता है निफ्टी में. ओके, so I'll be very careful with this next week plan, कैसे प्लान करना है. okay, और accordingly I think even if someone who is not risk averse, okay, जिसको ज़्यादा रिस्क लेना नहीं है, they can even think of not doing any trade for this whole week. okay, जिसको ज़्यादा ही रिस्क लेना नहीं है वो ये वीक छोड़ सकता है till 19th of July, कि हाँ हम लोग मार्केट से दूर रहेंगे, we'll just observe. okay, that is something which I think is one of the rule which I used to follow. okay. Okay guys, so I think the basic setup is this only. Okay, and if it breaks down this level 25,050 over here, then downward side will be 25,550 over here. Okay, so let's quickly go ahead and check the position and my plan. Okay, so जिसमें कल के shorts में डाला था, okay, the way I have bid it into yesterday's shorts, you can see that we have ended up in profit of 6,486 rupees. Okay, in our Nifty. Because कल जैसे मार्केट रेंज बाउंड रहा था यहाँ पे, since market was range bound and today's expiry, so decay happened, which allowed us to book the profit around 2.4 or 2.5% of our capital, which was deployed for the Nifty. Okay, so we started with 1,000 profit on I think 12th of July. Then market shifted, which was not in our favor. You can see I think over here यहाँ पे, and then we did the adjustment, and after adjustment we ended up in the profit. Okay, so again I think we are good. On the counter side, on LNT also, my adjustment options triggered over here. So you can see that this 2000, I have shifted my C position. Okay, shifted my C position further downside. Sorry, P position further downside from 3,500 to 3,450, and I booked this partial profit over here. Okay. Apart from that, I have also booked the P related hedge positions, okay, which I was having. Okay, so which resulted into 1,900 profit in hedge position, but that was compensated by the loss which I had taken by shifting the position from 3,500 P to 3,450. okay, तो मैंने काफी एडजस्टमेंट किए गाइस, इसमें मैंने 2 एडजस्टमेंट किए यहाँ पे मैंने. okay, और आई थिंक एंडेड अप नाउ एमटीएम लॉस जो चल रहा है 4,383 चल रहा है यहाँ पे हमारे केस में. okay, सो आई थिंक जैसे मैंने लास्ट कल के वीडियो में बोला था कि आई थिंक एक बार हम ऑप्शन में एंटर कर लेते हैं फॉर द स्टॉक्स, तो ये पूरा मंथ लॉन्ग एडजस्टमेंट रहता है. आई थिंक डजंट गो इन योर फेवर. सो जब तक हमारा LNT 3,515 ब्रेकआउट नहीं करता है डिसेसली, आई थिंक आई नीड टू कीप डूइंग एडजस्टमेंट. एक बार 3,515 डिसेसली ब्रेकआउट करता है, देन आई थिंक वी विल एंटर इनटू द प्रॉफिट जोन. ओके, so that's what is the expectation. Okay, let's quickly check about the my plan in Nifty. Okay, So Nifty, what I will be having basically that if Nifty bounce back from 2550, okay, then I will enter into this new P position. I will sell 24,900 P position 2 lot and I will hedge it with 24,700. Okay, depending upon the option, I will either I will take today's option expiry or I will go for the next expiry. Okay, तो reason I'm expecting for this, okay, ताकि guys dollar index भी काफी बढ़ा हुआ है. Okay, I see that it's 98. Crude oil has also increased a bit. Okay, so plus this tariff and all these things coming into picture. हम एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा हूँ कि अगर यहाँ पे आता है, okay, तो यहाँ पे काफी स्ट्रॉन्ग सपोर्ट लेवल है अराउंड 21,050 and if it creates a green candle over here, okay, then I think that will be a perfect position to enter for the bullish side. Okay, so that will be a plan. On the other side, okay, let's say if Nifty opens up over here, okay, it will start taking support around 25,230 और यहाँ से ब्रेकअप करता है यहाँ पे, okay, it will go for the bullish zone over here. So अगर 25,350 के ऊपर जाता है, okay, 25,350 के ऊपर अगर जाता है हमारा, okay, then I will add the C position around this level क्योंकि यहाँ पे काफी strong resistance है around 24,625. तो ये वाला जोन जैसे हम देख सकते हैं ऑलमोस्ट एक में से मेरा नो ट्रेडिंग जोन है यहाँ पे. सो ये वाले जोन पे मैं अपना कॉल सेल करूंगा. ओके, सो एक तो ये होगा, ठीक है, या फिर ये होगा या फिर दोनों भी हो सकते हैं. ओके, either this condition will get trigger for 25,050 or either the second condition of 25,050 will get trigger or both can get triggered. Only if this get triggered, okay, then bear call spread. If above gets triggered, then put bull call spread will get activated. If both get triggered, then it will get converted into the iron condor. Okay, so that is a simple strategy. I will set up my trigger order accordingly. Okay, ठीक है, तो काफी सिंपल स्ट्रेटजी गाइस. आई थिंक ये बेस्ड अपॉन दिस एक तो हमारा बुल कॉल स्प्रेड होगा या हमारा आयरन कॉन्डर होगा. ओके, या फिर बियर कॉल स्प्रेड रहेगा. ओके, सो ये तीन स्ट्रेटजी में से आई थिंक हमारे कौन सी स्ट्रेटजी ट्रिगर होंगी दैट विल डिसाइडेड बाय द लेवल. ओके, बट इफ यू आस्क मी, अगर आप मुझे पूछेंगे, आई थिंक आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग मार्केट टू रिमेन रेंज बाउंड टुडे एज वेल. ये रेंज में ही रहेगा, mostly range bound to downward side. Okay, and support level will be around 25,000. Okay, if it breaks the support level below 25,000, then I will not be comfortable holding any of the positions. Okay, ठीक है. Let's quickly go ahead and check the open interest. So open interest guys, we can see that it is showing the strong resistance, strong support around 25,200. Okay, which I'm not quite convinced because हम लोग देख सकते हैं FI डाटा यहाँ पे. ओके, it's all bearish position guys. Okay, FI bearish in call put, then future as well as FI has sold 1,858 crore. So यार FI has सिर्फ ये 120 करोड़ की बाइंग की है, which is nothing. Okay, on peanuts, and against that from past 2 to 3 weeks they are continuously selling. Okay, which is not convincing. And as I discussed yesterday, dollar index has also risen to around 98.9%. Okay, 98.9. So that is also not good for economy. And our currency has also become strong against dollar, which is around 80, around 86, 85.8 something. So both of this factor goes against dollar, and if the investor has अगर कोई investor invest कर रहा है डॉलर में इंडियन मार्केट में यूजिंग डॉलर, so they will be at loss. So they will start pulling out the money. Or considering the tariff which is coming into picture, we can see कि in some way Trump is winning because Indonesia का जो tariff लगा है इन लोगों ने, I think they will be having free access to Indonesia, but Indonesia need to pay 20% tariff on this part. So that is reversing the sentiment against the dollar, and we can see dollar index getting strong. Okay, and other currencies getting weak. Okay, so ये continue रहा guys. Okay, if they hit the trade deal with India, okay, so and if I see the dollar index again going above 100, then we can see that market can test the lower level as well. Okay, so that is the short-term view which I'm having guys, and accordingly we will plan it. Okay, okay, swing trade, I think ये चार swing trade का मैंने discuss किया था guys. I discussed this 4 stocks in my swing trade video. You can go ahead and check out this thing. Out of this 4, only this last and turbo is activated to around the level of 3,500. Rest I think we have not reached around 4,000 for the camps. Other in power around 550 or 578 we are not reached, and Dr. Z Lab I think some level I forgot about that. So please you go ahead and check this video. I think you will get the details about that. Okay, this I'm holding on the equity side. Okay, so I think that's it from my side, guys. If you are new to my channel, अगर आप नए हो चैनल में तो please like कीजिए, subscribe कीजिए, share कीजिए, so that we can grow together as a community. Thank you very much. See you today evening. Bye.